Welcome to qnawire.
The volume of a prism is the area of the base times the height. Now, the base changes all the time, but the height of the prism is 15. So we need to find the area of the space, and that can be a challenge. So the base is a regular hexagon, and the formula for the area of a regular polygon is 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter. The perimeter, if the base is this hexagon, it's got 6 sides, each of them are 8. 6 times 8 is a perimeter of 48. The apothem is from the center of the hexagon perpendicular to a side, which creates a right triangle. Now I'm going to pop this right triangle out. The bottom side would be 4 if a full side is 8. We can figure out this angle that would be at the center of the hexagon, because there would be 2 of these right triangles that could fit per side, so that would be 12 of them. And there's 360 degrees around a circle, so 360 divided by 12 of those angles is 30 degrees. And we want to find the apothem, which is that distance from the center straight down. That is the apothem. You might recognize this as a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and you can say it's 4 square root 3. That is very possible. You might not be there, and you might still be able to use like SOHCAHTOA, for instance, right triangle trig. And you could say from that 30-degree angle, 4 is the opposite, A is the adjacent, opposite adjacent is tangent, and so the tangent of 30 degrees equals opposite over adjacent, and the apothem would be 4 divided by tangent 30, which you could then put into a calculator. If you recognize it as a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the short leg is 4, the long leg would then be 4 square root 3. Oh, I put that in the wrong place. For the apothem, 4 square root 3. Four square root 3, or 4 over tangent 30. You would need to make sure you're in degree mode if you're going the 4 divided by tangent 30 route. But you can see that in either way, it's like 6.93. We're still calculating the area of that base. So times 1/2 times 48. I'll just go from here. Times 1/2 times 48 is 166.28, which is the area of the base, the area of the hexagon, and now we multiply by the height of the prism, and we can round to the nearest tenth. Really just need to multiply this by 15, because that represents the area of the base, times the height would be 2494.2. And this would be in centimeters cubed.